Have you ever looked at the clock, blinked, and suddenly it's 5 years later and you still haven't finished the thing that you were supposed to do? Yeah, same. And it's not just you and me. See, the older you get, the more time starts feeling like it's speedrunning itself. 1 minute you're in high school, and the next you're getting emails about 401ks you didn't even know you had. So what's going on? Is time actually speeding up? Are we in a glitchy simulation? Or are we just really bad at managing our time? Yes, all the above. But also, no. Here's the thing. Time moves at the same speed for everyone. We all have the same 24 hours. But when you're 5, summers feel endless. And when you're 25, I swear it's January, but a week later it's July. This isn't just in your head. Your brain is compressing time based on novelty. See, when you're a kid, everything is new. Your brain is constantly making new memories, so time feels stretched out, like an overly stylized A24 film with a little too much slow-mo. Now, when you're an adult, you wake up, do the same routine, scroll the same 3 apps, and then repeat. Your brain is like, yeah, we've seen this episode before, so it just skips all the filler. This is why your 20s and your 30s feel like they're going at 2 times speed. Your brain is literally fast-forwarding through the parts where nothing interesting is happening. Now, unfortunately, we can't actually slow down time. Unless you're a quantum physicist, in which case, congrats, you are a lot smarter than me. But you can trick your brain into making life feel longer. Do more new things, even if it's stupid. Your brain loves to pay attention to novelty. So the easiest way to make time feel slower is to just stop living the same day on repeat. You're not Bill Murray and it's not Groundhog Day. Take a different route home. Try a weird hobby like extreme ironing. Yes, it's a real thing. Go somewhere you've never been, even if it's just the sketchy grocery store on the other side of town. More new experiences equals more new memories equals not blinking and you're already in a retirement home. Pay attention to the little things. Your brain ignores what it thinks is unimportant. So sometimes time speeds up because you're just not present. Instead of mindlessly scrolling, actually look at your surroundings. Instead of inhaling your food, actually taste it. Instead of zoning out in conversations, actually listen to people. Essentially romanticize your life, but don't feel the draw to post it on TikTok. Stop filling every second with noise. You know that thing where you can't even sit in silence without reaching for your phone? It's kind of ruining your sense of time. When every moment is filled with distractions, your brain doesn't get a chance to process anything. So instead of remembering a full day, it just remembers a blur of notifications, TikToks, and probably some vague anxiety about something you can't even remember. Try giving your brain space to breathe, even if it's just walking without headphones or even staring at the ceiling for a little bit. So here's the deal. Time is not actually speeding up. You're just stuck in a loop. The good news? You can break out of it. Do new things, pay attention, and let your brain breathe. You don't have to move to Bali or become an influencer to feel alive again. You just need to stop living the same day on repeat. Oh, and if you ever feel like time is going too slow, congrats, you're either at the dentist's or in a work meeting that definitely should have been an email. I'll see you in the next one.